Are you tired of struggling to get free traffic to your offers? Maybe you've tried YouTube, but nothing seems to stick. What if I told you there's a tool that can take beginners and turn them into traffic-generating machines using YouTube Shorts, even if you have zero audience, zero email list, and no ad budget? That tool is RankBamboo, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what it can do for you, and the exclusive bonuses you'll get if you act today. Right off the bat, my first impression of RankBamboo is that it's straightforward and beginner-friendly. It's not just another overhyped software. If you ever felt lost trying to get traffic or create videos for YouTube, this tool does the heavy lifting for you. The dashboard is clean, the process is simple, and you can start seeing results fast. So what exactly is RankBamboo? At its core, it's a cloud-based platform that helps you get free, organic traffic from YouTube Shorts. You don't need any experience creating videos or understanding SEO. RankBamboo provides step-by-step guidance for creating short, high-performing videos that get views and clicks. It's designed for new affiliate marketers who don't have an email list, anyone on a tight budget who can't run ads, marketers struggling to get noticed on YouTube. And it solves a huge problem. I don't know how to make videos or get traffic. With RankBamboo, you don't need to be a video expert or hire someone. The tool makes it simple and fast.
I'm excited to bring you RankBamboo. RankBamboo is an answer engine optimization platform. It does not just stop there, it also handles your regular website optimization and, of course, website update and your report. The interesting thing about RankBamboo is that RankBamboo does not just give you suggestions or what you need to do recommendations. It does the fixes directly for you on your connected website. This is how it looks like. What it means, whatever recommendation I need to implement to get my website on the listing of any of the AI models or on #1 search engine page, I need to get my website connected, and on a click, I can apply the fixes, the recommendations that you can see right here from our AI optimization hub. Now, again, I can also pick any of the optimization suggestions here and click on auto optimize, and it gets all the fixes done for me without any heavy lifting. So that's really how powerful RankBamboo is. I would want to quickly take you on a journey of RankBamboo. Right, Bamboo's dashboard, you could see we have a quick analytics that gives you a breakdown on how your brand or your website is performing across ChatGPT, Clouded, Gemini, Perplexity, meaning with RankBamboo, you can be seen across several AI models. Now, this is exactly what this means. For the brand Fashion Nova, you could see on ChatGPT is making over 84%, and on Cloud is 69%, Gemini 60%. This is what this really translates to on our day-to-day activity. I can come over to ChatGPT. If you notice the brand here is Fashion Nova, I can come over to ChatGPT and say to ChatGPT, tell me more about Fashion Nova. And immediately, ChatGPT has something to tell me about Fashion Nova. Is a US-based fashion retailer known for its trendy, affordable clothing. It's based in Los Angeles. Now, the big question is, can ChatGPT or any of the AI models say this about your brand, about your website? So that's exactly where RankBamboo comes into play here. RankBamboo allows you to quickly get your website, your brand, listed across several AI models. And the truth is, if your business is not listed there, then you were left behind, because over 35 to 50% of persons now are switching from the regular search engine searches for products or for services, now going over to AI recommendations, which are usually conversational. They now depend on AI for recommendations on brands or products or services they need, and they make their comparisons to know which to go for. So that is where the RankBamboo platform comes into play, because hundreds of millions Even billions of businesses out there are looking for service provider to help them position their business to be seen by AI models. And that's why you need an account with RankBamboo to allow you to quickly do all of this. There are several other tools out there that promises you a lot. But RankBamboo, I want to tell you, brought about all of the tools that search engine AIs are crawling, looking out for to get your website listed. And this is how the journey with RankBamboo starts. It all starts with we creating a project. So we'll together create a project and see how we got Fashion Nova listed and how you can get any other website listed and get the required results. Bamboo starts with creating a new project. So over here, I want to call this Fashion Nova. And of course, the brand name remains Fashion Nova. Brand name remains Fashion Nova. And the website URL is fashionnova.com. The industry falls within the fashion apparel, so I'm going to look at for fashion apparel. Okay, yeah, that's it. So I can pick anyone, luxury or plus size fashion. I can pick any of those categories. It works. And my market region is United States. Again, I will just hit on create project. Rank Bamboo will get to work. It's going to automatically pick the entire prompts that AI are looking at for to make this a conversational flow with whoever visits any of the AI model, be it ChatGPT, be it Claude, be it Perplexity or Gemini. And once it does that, we confirm that the selected keywords are within area of concern. If for any reason AI did not cover your area of concerns of keywords or key phrases, you can come over to edit again and pick that. So if I say confirm keywords, it gets into work, and of course it's going to generate the entire prompts we need. So we see at the breeze we've gotten over 18 prompts generated here for us. So all I need to do is scroll down and hit on run my first scan based on this entire 23 prompts, and each of these prompts I could go into edit it as well. Once in here, you could see save 23 prompts. All I need to do is to hit on run new scan, and it's going to scan the whole of Fashion Nova based on the selected prompts to check out for AI visibility, and it's going to give us report in that regards. Processing at the background, you see it will keep populating your results, giving you real-time results as per the feedbacks it's gotten based on the crawling search it has done with ChatGPT. You could see prompt still processing. When that is done, you can always switch to do the same scan on Cloudy, Gemini, Perplexity. So while that is processing, I could also pick Cloudy. So once I pick Cloudy, all I need to do will still pick on run new scan, but because this is still processing, will allow that to go on for a while until it completes. Once it completes and I'm on Cloudy, I could come over to say run new scan. It's going to get that done on Cloudy as well. So you can keep doing this across Gemini, Perplexity, and give it some time. And over time, Rank Bamboo is going to give you a full-blown report concerning your AI visibility with your brand or your website. And then you can come over to AI audit. On the AI audit, what it basically does, it allows you to check your website if it's LLM ready. And of course, we have LLM generator. LLM is all about that instruction that is seen on your website that you need to have on your website for large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity to quickly recognize your website, what your website does, where to find things, and try to give your website a good directory flow. So once any of the AI crawlers pick on your website, it makes it easier for them to quickly get it listed. So we'll put the same website here, which is the fashionover.com. So what we'll do here, we want to run an audit on it. We fashionover.com, all of this is fully fixed. It does have LMS, it does have robot text, it does have meta tags, it does have schema.org structured data. So clearly shows that fashionova.com is fully ready to be listed by AI. Again, I want to switch to another project which we just did some couple of hours ago, let's say less than 72 hours, when we start trying out RankBamboo, and you're going to see how interesting this is. And of course, you're going to see some of the gaps that RankBamboo has helped us to identify on the project. And in less than 48 hours, we did some few fixes already. ChatGPT is already recognizing it. So it really shows you how awesome RankBamboo is. So let me quickly switch the project. I want to switch this project over to 10x Rapid Growth. So you see what I'm talking about. This is going to refresh. So again, we want to try some AI audits and see what happens here. So it's 10x. Include the term. So we'll do the same thing, running an audit. So you see, element audit completed. Now what happens? We have only 3 of these done, and we are yet to fix the LMS part of this. But interestingly, we started working on this project. I want to go back to the dashboard so you see it again. You can see the dashboard for 10x rapid growth. This we started some couple of hours ago. This is barely 48 hours, 72 hours into this, but we applied some of these recommendations, and you can see ChatGPT is already seeing our page. It's already gaining 81%. And this is what it translates to. Right inside of ChatGPT, I said, tell me about 10x rapid growth. And you can see it picked it here. And this is straight from our link that it picked it from. So this tells you the magic that comes with RankBamboo. Now, going back to our AI audits, I'm just trying to show you the whole excitement that goes with using RankBamboo, how it's quite powerful, giving you results. Now, we are used to fix elements, text, and all of that. So what will happen here is I can come over here on my generator, rather. On my generator, I want to say generate LMS text file for my project, and I'll hit on generate. Okay, great. So LMS text generated successfully. So with this, I can just get this copied or save it directly into my WordPress site. And once I add this up, I already have my LMS readiness text fixed, which allows my AI audits to also get the entire fixes required. CSP, adding that, and of course checking back on the same 10x rapid growth, you could see we have LMS text fixed right now on the site, meaning our site is fully fixed and ready. We are of course checking to be sure that we are fixing all recommendations as required by the standard organization for getting your website or brand listed on AI models. Here on your AI visibility monitor, you could see all the data is gathered. You could see your top brands visibility. Just below the top here, you can see top brands. You have to read, you have Lane Bryant. It continues down to Pretty Little Things. You could also see their visibility performance to it's about 48% and all of that. These are your competitors, top brands within your industry that's coming to the fashion apparel industry. And of course, you could see the entire fashion prompts for which you are performing better than others. You could also see other brands, their mentions on AI as well. Now, if you toggle on what we have here, the prompt performance, you could see here, you could see your own brand performance. We have the your rank and of course visibility ranking. On this particular prompt as fashionable, we consider the top trendy dresses online brand in fashion. You could see this is over 1% of it there, and you can toggle on it and see the recommendations saying here is Fashion Nova top brand. You could see the detailed analysis shown here, and you could see the key findings: high brand recognition in trendy dress market, strong social media presence drives visibility, competes with boho, pretty little things, and misguided. So if there are areas you are not meeting up with all of these other brands mentioned, these are the recommended brands top brands within your industry. Now, right inside RankBamboo, it shows you what they're doing and it also gives you their performance activity. You can also study more about your competitors when you come over to Competitor Spy here. So on Competitor Spy, you already have details of your competitors already filled up here, but you could go ahead to say, okay, our top competitor is Tourid. We want to add a Tourid as a competitor, and your number two competitor is Lane Bryan. So let's have it there. I can also have Pretty Little Things has 9 mentions. Eloquid has 9, Boho has 13. So we've added all of these as our competitors. So what you do again is to come over here to say backfill metrics. So once you do that, this is going to take a few minutes and we are going to get an in-depth analysis of how our competitors are doing and what we need to do differently. Right here, for our suggested competitors, if you scroll down, you have some more metrics you can work with. On the Boho, which is our number one competitor within the brand, you can come below here. You will see the overall performance has over share voice of 8.1% and over 6 mentions. Now, if you toggle over the keywords, you can also get to see the keywords which they are performing on. You could pick any of these keywords or your key phrases you may like, and you could add it up to become your key tracking keywords to see how the rankings for your project are also performing. And of course, you can also get to see the insights from this overall performance. You can hit on generate insight for RankBamboo to quickly give you a quick AI generated insight that gives you an analysis of your competitors' data and the recommendation. So let's give it some time and see what comes out. Great. So it says AI has analyzed your competitors and generated insights. So here's it. Says leverage share of voice for Turin and Lane Bryant. Says both Turin and Lane Bryant have the highest share of voice percentage of 16.4% and 14.9% respectively, indicating significant visibility in the market. So recommendation, conduct the content and backlink analysis on Turin and Lane Bryant to understand which pages and keywords are driving their high visibility. Focus on replicating and enhancing this content with unique value proposition. So this really makes it unique. Now, we could also see further recommendations here. So explore share of voice gap with LP. So recommendation, identify Liquid's top performing content and keywords, craft targeted content that performs Liquids in terms of depth, quality, and freshness to capture audience attention. So it tells you what to do, what your competitor did differently, and how you could also hijack their system and get yours to do the same. And of course, you have to outrank them. So we also have the content generator, but of course, I will get over to the optimization hub so you better appreciate what RankBamboo did for you here using the content generator. So come over to the optimization hub. This is what happens. Now, RankBamboo takes all of the considerations, your competitors, and of course the opportunity you have to outperform your competitors and gives us a full-blown optimization recommendations here. So you could see trendy dresses, you could perform more available, low visibility, and of course you're already making 50% share here on optimization suggestions. You could also see some further suggestions on plus size fashion. These are some of the key phrases that performed well. Now, coming over to trendy dresses online, the recommendation, the keyword trendy dresses online appears 0% of AI responses, but your brand is not mentioned. So optimize your content to get your brand included. So you can have your brand to mention on trendy dresses online, which is Fashion Nova, and it's going to say that. Now, this is AI recommendations. Says the key features to look for trendy dresses online include a range of lengths, breathable fabrics, stylish details, and versatile designs that can be dressed up and down. The key findings, trendy styles include midi, and popular fabrics. All of this done for you. And if you come down here, it already shows you your schema enhancements you need to have already. We have that for Fashion Nova. Now, this is what you also get to see. If you have a website connected, you can click and it quickly pushes that into your website. Let me quickly switch project to other projects we worked on so you see how this works. Okay, so here on this side here, you could see the recommendations given here. So once you have your website connected for a schema markup, which is already done, all you need to do is apply to homepage and it's going to apply this schema. You could see it's updated successfully. So that's why when we did the AI audit for the 10x rapid growth, we already got that fixed. So again, you also have FAQ schema common questions. You could also apply this on a fix. On a click, it fixes all of that. So it asks you the target page you want to create an FAQ schema for. So I could say I want to create it for the home page. So you could get that applied and fixed. It says schema fixed correctly. See, Bamboo fixes your recommendations. It does not just give you recommendation and allow you to figure out everything yourself. It does the entire heavy lifting for you so you could see how this goes. So the same also applies when you come over, you check some other fixes you may need to apply right inside here, and it's going to get that done for you. You could run your further analysis. Then when you come over to topic gaps, on topic gaps, you can see articles which you could write about. I have an opportunity here for influencer marketing based on the connected project here. So I'm asked to develop influencer marketing strategy guide with templates, example, and best practices. So like I said, I want to write this. All I need to do is hit on generate content, and it's going to take us down to our content generator with the exact keywords and key phrases we need to work with, and we get that done. Before going ahead to create my content using my answer engine optimization content generator, I can also choose to come back to my optimization hub. This is something again we can do using the explorers. Coming back to topic gaps. Topic gaps definitely points out to subjects, topics you need to talk about to improve your visibility, right? So we wanted to create a content and influencer marketing. So I could come over to say explore topic. So I want to do some further research on this. I can just say extract topics. Okay, so we are extracted 27 topics, and 27 topics are inserted on visibility records to created. So once you scroll down, you could see live marketing workshops and all of that. You could see content marketing, social media, and you could scroll down, checking all of it. Any of the topic you want to work on, you could just pick content marketing strategy, and it's going to give you an overview. You can also get to see the visibility on ChatGPT. You can also see the mentions. You can have 9 mention on content marketing strategy. And if you leave it for some time, it's going to give you a trend analysis based on that content. You can also get to see related topics. You can see content marketing, live marketing workshops. You can view any of this content here. You can also get to see building a complete guide to content marketing strategies. So you can open this in content generator and it's going to build exactly what you see there. We have content marketing strategies. You can also create a video in this open in generator or resource. So let's say I want to create a guide on content marketing strategies. If I hit on open generator, content, it's going to pick the entire content there for me and say content marketing strategy, content type. I want to keep this as how to guide, right? Now, again, I want to come over, I want to keep the tone here as authoritative because that's what AI is looking at for. AI wants to look at the expertise in your content, also want to look at the authority behind your content as well. So I want to keep the content medium, of course, content language English. I also want to generate an FAQ for this because AI models really like FAQ. So I could come over to say generate content. So you see our content generated successfully. Right here, we have our entire content generated for us. You could toggle, you could see this is answer engine optimized content. You could see your outline. You could also see your facts. You could see the schema already set up here. And of course, citations will also come up. You can copy this. You can download it as doc as well as as PDF, and you could have it listed on your site. Again, we also have the shopping visibility. Also, haven't seen the topic explorer on your shopping visibility. The same thing also applies if you run Shopify stores or you run an e-com store. You can also leverage on this tool right inside of RankBamboo. So switching over to my Fashion Over project, I want to add a product. So coming over here, I'm saying I'm adding the product's name rather. This is bucket hat. So just call this bucket hat. And this is a product URL. This is under $5, so let me just leave it as full. And can pick the categories, or I could just leave it and come over here, add products. Great. So at this point, we've added a product. Our system automatically refresh it. Once it refreshes it and get the product listed, you can then run a scan. It's going to do an in-depth scan on your entire product listings on the page. At this point, we have one product being tracked, so I can come over here and run scan. So it's going to check the entire store structure and see what more product we can fetch, and of course what how AI can improve the visibility for us. Mhm. Shopping can start successfully one product and 8 queries already done. So you could have 25% visibility. So once you scroll down, you get to see this particular product not listed, and you have a potential of having this listed. So you could check your shopping trend. All of these data are coming, so you can, of course, regenerate your trends and see the queries that comes with it. So you could see we have one product query there. So the system is still trying to gather some more details for us. So you can always scan, refresh to see your performance. You can also get to see your level analysis, say bucket peak, budget peak rather. You could see price focus position 7 products. You could see the recommendations. So continue tracking your product and receive personalized recommendations. So all of this, it's exactly how RankBamboo helps you to get your AI visibility on your store. Now, on RankBamboo, we have the old traditional SEO ranking that allows you, of course, to be visible to Google search engines, right? So over here, we have the SEO ranking features, which allows you to run your website optimization. You can also run your website audit right here on the page. So let's quickly switch back to my other project so you can get to see what we can do with our website optimization. Website optimization, always ensure that you have your website integrated. So on this project, you can see we have our website integrated. You could import your sitemap. You could also import from your GSC, that is your Google Search Console, and where you get your Google search engine connected. It's on the integration. So on the integrations, you can directly have your WordPress plugin installed. That once you have it installed, you can have all of these activities done. You can also download the plugin right here, and of course, you can get your Google Search Console connected. So once you get that connected, optimizing your website and of course other functionalities becomes a breeze. So you could just come over to website optimization right here. On website optimization, you could scan your entire URL page. So when you have a URL page, let's say, all right, we have HTTPS, what we have here is 10x, we already did that. So when you add your URL, you can, of course, always scan that. So you can see URL has been added. So you can see the entire crawl page done here. So what you now have here, we have one page which was already optimized. So we can look at pre-qualification. If you want to optimize this, you can come over here to say we want to optimize this. Now, to help you appreciate what we're doing here, I'm going to go to this page directly on my WordPress page, and you see what's happening here, and you see how powerful RankBamboo is. So right on RankBamboo here, I could go ahead to optimize this page. If you see, if you click on this drop down, you can hit on auto optimize because I have my RankBamboo plugin already connected to my WordPress website that allows me automatic control to apply my fixes. I don't need to do any heavy lifting. RankBamboo does all of that for me. So you could see the exact page here I want to optimize. So all I need to do right from my RankBamboo dashboard, I could just hit on optimize. But to allow you to better appreciate what RankBamboo will be optimizing on this page, if I hit on optimize, I would want to come over to website audit so you see what and what is not really looking okay on our connected project website. So I'm switching over to website audit under SEO. So I want to run an website audit. You can see on website audit, if you've not done that already, you can just hit on new audit and you put your website. It's going to run the audit for you and you get to see all of the details you need. All right, great. So here we have the report again. You can see issues breakdown, missing meta description, low content ratio, missing image alt text. Of course, your website health, it's okay, 50%. So when you come over here, when you toggle on issues breakdown, when you click on missing meta description, so you could see one error here, missing meta description detected on this page. And of course, when you go back here, you could see low content ratio here and you can also get to see the image alt text error there. So that gives you an idea of what is already happening. So when I come back to my website optimization on my listed pages here, so the listed pages here, all I need to do, I want to optimize this page. So I could come over to say auto optimize. Since this page has been optimized successfully and that has already applied on my page as well. So when you come back here, you can also do the same to thank you page. I could have as much pages optimized and successful again. The thing here, because we've gotten most of the pages optimized, when you come back here to your website audit, based on our SEO ranking feature, if you've not audited before, you can still click on start audit. So you see our website health is now close to 80%. We've taken it from 50% to 80%. Now, if you come back here, some of the issues are taken out. Now, before we had no meta description that is taken out. So what we now have left here, it's content ratio. So we need to increase on our content, of course, image, missing, alt text, and all of that. So we can still go ahead, fix all of these, and you get to see that your entire overview of your website will be optimized to 100%, making your website fully optimized for search engines. Now, again, on RankBamboo, we do have the keyword research that allows you to see keywords performances across, and of course, you can also get to see your cost per click. So let's say content marketing strategies, what we created content for, right? On United States English, so I could hit on search. Let's get to see the performance of this key phrase. Right over here, we can also see the performance of this key phrase content marketing strategies. So we could see the cost per click over there. We could see the top 10 results on most of the effective contents created right there. So of course, you can always click on the content and see the performance of the content, which can also allow you to create your own content around this. So when you scroll down, you can see a breakdown of the analysis. You can see the difficulty level as well. So this gives you an idea on what to play around your content and the search volume, how it goes monthly, what you likely need to create content for that will get your brand, your website out there to the public. Again, we have the keyword tracker over here as well. So with the keyword tracker, you can add several keywords or key phrases, which will allow you over time to see how it's performing on your website. And you can also use this to rank your website as well. You can have a keyword like plus size. And of course, my target URL, I still want it to be within fashionova.com. So I want to target all devices so I can hit on track. And our RankBamboo is going to get to work and pay attention to key phrase plus size or whenever traffic hits my URL. It gets me to have an idea of what is bringing the huge collections of persons into my website. What's brand or what product type, what product specifics is bringing them to my web portal. So this is an idea you get from Key Tracker, which you can also, of course, view history, whatever performance you see here. You can come view the history. So you give this some time. Again, we have the performance over here. Performance, it's your ability to be able to see how much volume, to clicks, impressions you are having once you have your Google search console connected to your Rank Bamboo. So you get all of that. And of course, you can generate your answer engine optimizations report over here. You can toggle between executive summary, detailed analytics, or client reports style model and hit on generate. It's going to generate a report for you. And once it's generated, you can find all generated reports here that you can click to download. And of course, you can also see your detailed analytics templates used seen here. So you could use your executive summary of detailed analytics or your client dashboard that shows you the specific that comes with it. You can also do the same report on your SEO report. You could see your SEO report key performances, as well as pages performance, as well as your SEO overview. So that's how powerful RankBamboo is. So this is one tool you don't need to miss. You need to have it with you to get your answer engine optimization, of course, SEO services done for several businesses out there that are begging to get their businesses seen by AI models. Thank you.
Let's go through the dashboard. You'll notice the interface is intuitive and organized into clear sections. On the main screen, you can create a new YouTube Shorts video, access trending topics and keywords for your niche, customize video templates with just a few clicks. Once your video is ready, you can schedule it directly to YouTube Shorts. The software even suggests the best tags and descriptions to maximize your reach. Everything is automated to save you time, so you can focus on building your offers instead of wrestling with tech. Even better, RankBamboo comes with pre-built templates and video scripts for popular niches. You don't have to guess what will perform well. This software guides you step by step from start to finish.
RankBamboo is an answer engine optimization platform, and it goes far beyond traditional SEO. It doesn't just tell you what to fix. It actually applies the fixes directly to your website. From AI visibility to website optimization, reporting, and updates, RankBamboo handles the heavy lifting for you. Let me show you how powerful this is. Here in the AI Optimization Hub, RankBamboo gives me clear recommendations on what needs to be implemented to get my website listed across AI models and positioned on top search results. Instead of manually fixing everything, I can simply click to apply the recommendations you're seeing here. Click on Apply to Homepage, and RankBamboo handles it instantly. I can also select any optimization suggestion and choose Auto Optimize. No technical work, no manual edits. Everything is done for me. That's how powerful RankBamboo is. Now, let's take a quick look at the dashboard. Here, RankBamboo shows me how my brand or website is performing across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity. This means your brand can be visible across multiple AI models, not just Google. For example, with the brand Fashion Nova, you can see ChatGPT visibility at over 84%, Claude at 69%, and Gemini at 60%. But what does this really mean in practice? Let's test it. If I go to ChatGPT and ask, "Tell me more about Fashion Nova," ChatGPT immediately responds with accurate information about the brand, its industry, location, and identity. Now here's the real question. Can any AI models say this about your brand? If the answer is no, that's exactly where RankBamboo comes in. Why RankBamboo matters. Today, more people are moving away from traditional search engines. Instead of searching manually, Users now ask AI models for recommendations, comparisons, and decisions. If your business isn't visible there, you're already falling behind. RankBamboo helps you position your brand where AI models are already making decisions. And that is why you need an account with RankBamboo to allow you quickly do all of this. Let me quickly show you how this journey starts. Everything begins by creating a project. Here, I'll name the project Fashion Nova. Enter the brand name. I enter the website URL. Select the industry. Choose relevant categories and define the target market region. Then click Create Project. Once I do that, RankBamboo automatically generates the prompts AI models use to understand and recommend brands. Here, the keywords are automatically detected. If needed, I can edit or refine them at any time. And if for any reason these keywords don't fully cover my area of concern, I can easily adjust by clicking on Edit again. Click on Confirm Keyword to move on. Once confirmed, RankBamboo generates all the necessary prompts. In this case, over 23 AI prompts, which are also editable. All I need to do next is click on Run My First Scan to run a scan. Here the 23 prompts are saved. Click on Run New Scan to proceed. When I run a scan, RankBamboo checks how visible my brand is across AI models. It's going to generate a detailed report for us. In the background, you can see the results populating in real time as the scan runs. As ChatGPT completes its crawl, you'll notice some prompts still processing. Once that's done, you can easily switch and run the same scan on Claude, Gemini, or Perplexity. Over time, RankBamboo builds a complete AI visibility report for your brand or website. Next is the AI audit. What this does is check whether your website is LLM ready. We also have the LLM generator, which creates the instructions your website needs so large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity can clearly understand what your site is about, where to find key information, and how your content is structured. This makes it much easier for AI crawlers to recognize and list your website correctly. To get started, simply enter your website here and click Run Audit. RankBamboo audits things like LLMs.txt, robots.txt meta tags, and schema markup. If something is missing, RankBamboo flags it clearly. And when a fix is required, you'll notice that the issue has already been resolved here. Now, I want to switch to another project we worked on just a few hours ago, less than 72 hours since we set it up in RankBamboo. You'll see some of the gaps RankBamboo identified for us on this project. And in under 48 hours, after applying just a few fixes, ChatGPT already started recognizing the brand. This really shows how powerful RankBamboo is. Let me quickly switch over to that project 10x Rapid Growth and add the website. At this point, we've completed 3 of the required fixes, and we're yet to address the LLMS part of this project. Let me quickly head back to the dashboard so you can see this clearly. This is a dashboard for 10x Rapid Growth, a project we started just a few hours ago, still well under 72 hours. Even within that short time frame, after applying just a few recommendations, you can already see the impact. ChatGPT has started recognizing the page, and the visibility score is already at 81%. And this is what that looks like in real life. When I ask ChatGPT, tell me about 10x Rapid Growth, you can see that it immediately recognizes a brand and is pulling this information directly from our website link. That right there shows you the real magic of RankBamboo. Now, let me go back to the AI audit to complete the remaining step. We're yet to fix the LLMs.txt. All I need to do is come over here, click on Generate LLMs.txt and hit Generate. And just like that, LLMs.txt is generated successfully. I can now copy this file or save it directly to my WordPress site. Once it's added, the LLMS setup is complete and the website is fully ready for AI models. This is exactly how RankBamboo delivers results: fast, simple, and incredibly powerful. Checking back on 10x Rapid Growth, you can see that our LLMs.txt has been successfully fixed. This means I can save it as the fix and have it ready. Of course, we also ensure that all recommendations are properly addressed. following the standards required to get your website or brand listed by AI models. Let's explore AI visibility. Here, all the relevant data is gathered in one place. You can see the visibility of your top brands, including key competitors in your industry. For the fashion apparel sector, this shows how your brand compares to others, along with a full set of prompts where your performance stands out. You can also view how other brands are mentioned across AI models. By toggling prompt performance, you can see your brand's ranking and visibility on each specific prompt. For example, for Fashion Nova, you can see performance metrics compared to the top 20 online fashion brands. Detailed analysis highlights key findings, showing areas where you are performing well and areas that need improvement. RankBamboo not only shows competitor activity, but also provides actionable insights into their strategies. To dive deeper, we can use Competitor Spy. Here, all your competitors' details are already available. You can add competitors by clicking Backfill Metrics. RankBamboo performs an in-depth analysis, giving you a comprehensive view of competitor performance and recommendations on what you need to do differently to outperform them. If you scroll down, you'll see additional metrics for RankBamboo, our top competitor. The overall performance shows a share of voice of 8.1% with over 6 mentions. By toggling keywords, you can view the terms they are performing well on. You can select any keywords or phrases to add to your key tracking keywords and monitor your project ranking. For a quick analysis, click Generate Insight to get AI-generated insights and recommendations based on competitor data. RankBamboo shows you exactly what your competitors are doing and how you can outperform them. So let's give some time and see what comes up. This says Analyze your competitors and generated insights. Here it says Leverage your voice for Torrid. The next recommendation is to focus on replicating and enhancing this content with a unique value proposition. This is what really makes the strategy effective. We can also see further recommendations. This shows you exactly what your competitors did differently and how you can adopt a similar system, improve on it, and ultimately outrank them. We also have the content generated here. And from here we move over to the optimization hub, so you can truly appreciate what RankBamboo is doing using the content generator. When you come over to the optimization hub, this is what happens. RankBamboo takes all considerations, including your competitors' data and the opportunities available to you, and generates full optimization recommendations. You can see trending phrases, areas where visibility is low, and where you're already achieving about 50% share from optimization suggestions. You can also see additional suggestions around plus-size fashion. These are key phrases that are already performing well. Now, looking at trendy dresses online, the recommendation shows that this keyword appears in 0% of AI responses for your brand, meaning your brand is not mentioned. The recommendation is to optimize content so your brand can be included and mentioned for trendy dresses online, especially for Fashion Nova. The AI recommendations also highlight key features shoppers look for when searching for trendy dresses online. These include a range of lengths, breathable fabrics, stylish details, and versatile designs that can be dressed up or down. You also see popular styles and fabrics listed here. All of this information is already available, and when you scroll down, you can see the schema that has already been prepared for Fashion Nova. If your website is connected, you can apply these updates instantly. RankBamboo can push these changes directly to your website. Let me quickly switch projects to another one we worked on, so you can see how this works. Here you can see the recommendations provided. Once your website is connected for schema markup, which is already done here, all you need to do is click Apply to Homepage, and the schema is applied automatically. You can see that it has been updated successfully. This is why, when we ran the AI updates of the 10x Rapid Growth project, those fixes were already applied. You also have FAQ schema for common questions. You can apply this with a single click to any target page you want to create an FAQ schema for. For example, you can apply it to the home page and the schema fix is completed correctly. RankBamboo does not just give recommendations and leave you to figure things out. It handles the entire heavy lifting for you. The same process applies when you need to apply other fixes. You can run further analysis. And when you move over to topic gaps, you'll see articles you can write about to improve visibility. In this case, there's an opportunity around influencer marketing for the connected project. The recommendation is to develop an influencer marketing strategy guide with templates, examples, and best practices. To create this content, all you need to do is click Generate Content. This takes you directly to the content generator with the exact keywords and key phrases needed. You can also return to the Optimization Hub and explore topic gaps further. Topic gaps clearly highlight subjects you should cover to improve visibility. If you want to explore influencer marketing further, you can click Explore Topic and then Extract Topics. Here, RankBamboo extracts 27 topics along with their visibility data. When you scroll down, you can see topics like live marketing workshops, content marketing, and social media. You can choose any topic you want to work on. For example, if you select Content Marketing Strategy, you get an overview of the topic. You can see ChatGPT visibility, the number of mentions, and related topics. If you leave it for some time, RankBamboo will also generate trend analysis for that topic. You can view related topics and open any of them inside the content generator. If you click Open Generator Content, RankBamboo builds the content for you. For example, Content Marketing Strategy. You can choose a content type, such as a how-to guide. You can set the tone to authoritative, because AI models look for expertise and authority in content. You can keep the content length medium, set the language to English, and generate FAQs because AI models favor FAQ sections. Once you click Generate Content, the content is created seamlessly. You can see the full answer engine optimized content, including the outline, schema already set up, and citations. You can copy the content, download it as a document or PDF, and publish it directly on your site. RankBamboo also supports shopping visibility. This applies if you run a Shopify store or an e-commerce site. You can add products and improve AI shopping visibility directly inside RankBamboo. For example, in the Fashion Nova project, you can add a product by entering the product name and URL. In this case, we added a product under $5. You can select a category or leave it blank, then click Add Product. The system refreshes automatically and lists the product. You can then run a scan. RankBamboo performs an in-depth scan of your entire store structure and tracks product visibility. In this case, one product is being tracked with about 25% visibility. As you scroll down, you can see product queries, shopping trends, and visibility opportunities. You can refresh the data at any time to see updated performance. RankBamboo also includes traditional SEO ranking features. This allows your website to remain visible on Google search. You can run website optimization and website audits directly from the platform. Make sure your website is integrated by importing your sitemap or connecting Google Search Console. You can also install the RankBamboo WordPress plugin, which allows automatic fixes from your dashboard. Once connected, you can go to Website Optimization, add your URL, and scan the page. You can then click Auto Optimize, and RankBamboo applies the fixes automatically without manual work. You can also run a website audit. If you haven't audited before, click New Audit and enter your website URL. RankBamboo generates a detailed report showing missing meta descriptions, low content ratio, missing image alt text, and overall website health. Initially, the website health may be around 50%. When you apply the fixes, such as optimizing pages directly from the dashboard, the page is optimized successfully and the changes are applied to your website. You can repeat this process for other pages, including your thank you page. As more pages are optimized, website health improves from 50% to close to 80%. Issues like missing meta descriptions are resolved automatically. Remaining issues may include content ratio and missing image alt text, which you can fix to reach 100% optimization. RankBamboo also includes keyword research and keyword tracking. You can search for keywords like content marketing strategies in US English and view performance data, such as cost per click, top results, difficulty level, and monthly search volume. You can analyze top-performing content and create your own content around it. With the keyword tracker, you can add multiple keywords or phrases and track how they perform over time. You can see which keywords drive traffic, what products or pages attract visitors, and review historical performance. Once Google Search Console is connected, you can see clicks, impressions, and performance data directly inside RankBamboo. Finally, you can generate answer engine optimization reports. You can toggle between executive summary, data analytics, or client reports. Once generated, reports can be downloaded, and you can also view detailed analytics templates. RankBamboo also provides SEO reports showing keyword performance, page performance, and overall SEO health. This all-in-one tool allows you to optimize your site, track performance, and generate reports, ensuring your business is visible to AI models and search engines alike. And that's how RankBamboo helps you optimize your website, track keywords, generate content, and improve AI and search engine visibility, all from one powerful platform. Go ahead, apply these strategies to your site, and watch your visibility grow. See you inside.
RankBamboo also offers optional upgrades. Here's a quick overview. OTO1 Unlimited Edition, $97, unlimited projects and full video template library. OTO2 DFY SEO Marketing Agency Setup, $197. Get a fully ready-to-go agency setup. OTO3 25 DFY Ready to Profit campaigns, $97. Pre-built campaigns you can deploy instantly. OTO4 AI Course Creator, $297. Build your own courses using AI without creating content from scratch. OTO5 White Label License, $97. Rebrand RankBamboo and sell it under your name. All of these upsells add serious value if you want to scale quickly, but even the front-end version is enough to start generating traffic and clicks immediately. When you grab RankBamboo through my link, you also get access to my exclusive bonus package valued at over $13,700. These bonuses are designed to save you time, increase conversions, and get results faster. Here's a taste of what's included. The Affiliate Rockstar, step-by-step video tutorials to maximize your affiliate earnings. Traffic generation tactics, advanced strategies to drive highly targeted traffic. Social media automation, tools and training to automate multiple platforms. SEO and tracking, learn to optimize links and boost your SEO for long-term results. Link Cloaker, turn long affiliate links into clean, high-converting links. Responsive list building secrets, build a highly engaged email list fast. Commission Overdrive video guide, speed up your affiliate commissions with advanced strategies. Your e-commerce store, step-by-step guidance to start selling products online. Niche Business Jumpstart, create a profitable niche business in hours. Sales video assets, 300 plus ready-to-use marketing videos, ebooks, and graphics. This bonus package is exclusive and limited to the first 25 buyers or 48 hours. Don't miss out because these bonuses are not offered anywhere else. So here's my final verdict. RankBamboo is a must-have for beginners or anyone struggling to get YouTube traffic. It's easy to use, results-focused, and comes with templates, scripts, and automation that will save you hours. Combine that with my exclusive $13,700 bonus stack, and you've got a serious shortcut to results. Remember, the bonuses are time-limited and only available when you purchase through my link, so click the link below to claim both the software and the exclusive bonuses before they disappear. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and leave a comment with your biggest question about RankBamboo. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest software reviews and affiliate marketing tips. Once you purchase, forward your receipt to support@testedapps.com to get instant access to all the bonuses. Click the link below to start getting free traffic with RankBamboo today.